Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a video counting all the trees in my garden. I think that'll be so much fun. Since last summer, I started counting and never finished. So today is gonna be all about me counting my trees, and I want to take you guys along to see how many I have total. Big shout out to Bulls Food Forest 347. He asked me how many trees I have, so I thought it will make sense today to make a video and see how many I have. So let's go. Okay, FYI, it's windy. That's why I have on my safety glasses and a hoodie. It's kind of chilly today. It's like 64. But one note I wanted to add to this video, I'm not counting like the palms and like small trees on my patio. I'm just going to be counting the bigger fruiting trees, not palm trees and stuff like that. And also, if you guys want to see the variety of each tree, please check out my late winter garden video, because I don't think I'm gonna mention the variety either, just to make the video a lot quicker. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is count the left side first and then count the right side. And I might even break it up into portions. I'm not sure yet, but I don't want to lose count. So that's my thing. All right, so let's get started. Let's see what happened. All right, this first one here is an Aki. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so far is 11. I think I'm going to do the patio last, okay? So let's keep going. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So that's 42. And I'm not counting bush either, because this is a bush. For me it is anyway. 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. That's a question mark, so I'm not counting that. 50. That's a dwarf moringa. I got 2, but I'm gonna just say 50. 51. 52. That's a peanut butter fruit tree. All right. not counting pineapples, not counting dragon fruit. Again at 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, that's another Aki. 67, 68, 68. So should I be counting bananas? I think so. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. All right, that's 91. And we didn't do the patio, so let's go do the patio. 91. Wow. 91. 92. That's the blue Jabba the Caba. 93. 94. 95. 96. A cha-cha. 97. Yellow Jabo. 98. Rosy Gold. 99. I think it's a pina colada. 100. East Indian. 101 is the red Longin. 102 is that Jabo. 103, another Jabo. And again, I'm not counting these small plants here because I might give them away or sell them. So 103, I think is what I said. So yeah. Oh, 104. My Excalibur Neesbury or Sapodilla. My husband's calling it white Aki. He got it from his cousin's uncle. So 105 is that white Aki right there. Okay, so when I was counting, I did count this palm tree right here. So minus this palm tree, we're gonna have 104. So the last one I counted was this white Aki right here. All right, so that's 104. And I forgot to count the coconuts. So let's go ahead and add those to the list here. So we have a dwarf Malaysian coconut. So this will be 105. And we have another one right here. $106. All right. 106. And I know bananas are not trees, but I count them anyway because, you know, eventually we'll get fruit from them. So, and there's 2 more over here. So, 107, 108. All right. And that concludes my fruit tree counting video, guys. So thank you guys for watching my fruit tree counting video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it because I thought it was fun. So you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.